So far, in decoding the DCKAP Integrator series, we have talked about how individual departments like sales, finance, and customer service use integration to make their work more efficient. We have also looked at how ERP managers and warehouse supervisors benefit from having their systems talk to each other. But today, we are zooming out. We are looking at the entire supply chain. Everything from procurement to delivery and all the roles that help manage the flow of products. These roles are not just part of the operation, they are what keep the operation moving. Hi, I am Kirtika and welcome back to Decoding the DCKAP Integrator. So let us say there is a team handling supply chain operations in a mid-sized manufacturing or distribution company. There is a production planner making sure the shop floor runs on schedule, an inventory manager keeping track of what is on the shelves, a demand planner forecasting what needs to be ordered or produced, and a production manager making real-time decisions to keep everything aligned. Each of them plays a different role, but they all rely on one thing: accurate, timely data. When systems are disconnected, the gaps are visible. Forecasts are made based on older data that does not make sense. Then replenishment happens late. Production gets held up waiting for raw materials, and suddenly the downstream effect hits. Delivery delays, excess stock, and worse, unhappy customers. Or you could have had DCKAP Integrator prevent all of this. It acts as the connector. It sits right in the middle of all your systems and makes sure everything talks to each other smoothly. Let's say your demand planner is trying to figure out how much stock you need for next month based on recent orders. But those orders are coming in through your website or maybe a marketplace, and that data is in your e-commerce system. Without DCKAP Integrator, the planner either has to wait for a report or do a lot of follow-ups or just guesswork. With it, and all that order data from your website flows straight into your ERP. So the demand planner sees the numbers in real time. Or think of an inventory manager working with 2 or more warehouses. Without integration, someone has to check their stocks manually. Maybe call the warehouse or go digging through spreadsheets, all while hoping that the data is the latest. But if your warehouse systems are connected to your ERP by DCKAP Integrator, it pulls all that information into one place in real time. You know exactly what is available, where it is, and how to plan for it, all without having to dial a single number. Now think of the production manager trying to schedule next week's production, but they are not sure if the raw materials have arrived. That data might be sitting in your shipping software or procurement tool. With DCKAP Integrator, even that information flows into your ERP. So when the planner looks at the screen, they already know what is available and they can plan better. And for the production manager, all the pieces to work together. If something is delayed or inventory is missing, they are the ones fixing it. DCKAP Integrator gives them visibility into what is coming in, what is low, and what is already sold, so they can make quick decisions without second guessing. So really, what this tool does is help everyone in the supply chain see the same picture in the real time, whether they are planning, scheduling, or moving things around. It does not replace your systems, it connects them. Your team is not stuck waiting on updates or working with old numbers. So if you're part of the supply chain team, no matter what you do, having one clean connected view of your data can change the game. And that is why distributors and manufacturers choose DCKAP Integrator to keep your systems in sync, your numbers accurate, and your team focused on what really matters. I hope this gave you a clear view of how integration can make a real difference in your daily work. If you have got questions, drop them in the comments and we will be happy to respond. And stay tuned, because in the next video, we are going to talk about human resources. Yes, even HR has a lot to gain from a connected system. We will explore how DCKAP Integrator can simplify their workflows and give them the data they need, right when they need it.